Welcome to Tip Tuesday. I'm Randy LaBauve with the LSU AgCenter. I'm going to give you some tips on how to do better video with your smartphone. To get a steady shot, you're going to need a tripod. Now, there are many different sizes of tripods. There are smaller ones, there are bigger ones. But in all cases, you're going to need a smartphone tripod adapter like this one, about $8. Now, smartphones have very tiny sensors, which means they do poorly in low light situations. That's why it's good to have a light like this LED one. Audio is as important to a good video production as video itself. The problem with a smartphone is it does not have good audio the farther you get away from it. So you have to have some extension like this clip-on microphone. You can go 10 feet and still get good audio. Before recording video, it's a good idea to delete media you're not using. As far as file size, I would record at HD 720p or 1080p. Finally, be enthusiastic about the content that you're creating on your phone. You can do this.